Hi, fourth graders. I hope day 2 is going well. I'm sure we've all encountered a little bit of some issues, but we're all working through it. And I just want to say I am so proud of every single one of you for how we're working and trying our best and asking some great questions. So keep that up. However, there is one thing that myself, along with the other fourth grade teachers, want to discuss, and that is Google Hangouts and Google Chat. We have noticed that many students, not just in my class, but all fourth grade classes, are using that pretty inappropriately. Okay? We have talked about how our Chromebook for at school is for school use only. Okay? Google Hangouts and Google Chat is not for you to just chat with friends. Many of you, if not all of you, already have devices that are not school related that you can do that with. Okay? So, Google Chat and Google Hangout is for school only. Nothing else. Okay? If you need to ask a classmate a question, hey, what was the math homework in Mrs. DeGrace's class, or something like that, you can message a friend, but that is it. Nothing else. Google Meets, where you chat and like video chat like we did last week, should not happen unless you are invited by a teacher. Okay, whether it's me, maybe you're meeting with Mrs. Beeman or Mrs. Dykstra, Mr. Notoff, one of any teacher. Okay, other than that, again, you have other devices for home that you can use for your personal time. Okay, we have seen many fourth graders using Google Chats, Google Hangouts inappropriately. Remember, just like we're at school, we can monitor what you are doing and what is being said through your Chromebook and through Google Chats, Google Hangouts, whatever it is. Okay? So, again, I am asking you and letting you know that Google Chats, Google Hangout is not just for fun use. You, like I said, you have your own devices for that, and our Chromebook is strictly for school purposes. I know in my class before we left, oh wow, seems like forever ago, that Friday, that was mentioned. Okay, I'm sure other fourth graders have heard that exact same thing or similar thing from their teachers. All right, we would hate to have to disable Google Chats for a class or a whole grade if it gets out of hand. Okay, so this is the last time we're going to remind you of this. Okay, so only use Google Chat, Google Hangout if it is school related. It is not for fun. It is not just to chat with your friends about whatever you want. It's not for letting people join in and then kicking them off or saying things about whatever. It is school related only. Okay? I know this is a different time. Some of us it's a difficult time, and having that contact with our friends is necessary. Believe me, I get it. However, using Google Chat, Google Hangouts on your school Chromebook is not the way to do it. Okay, you guys, 9 times out of 10, you may have your own piece of technology. If not, moms and dads may also, I'm sure, have a phone you could ask to use to call a friend to talk to them if you just are missing your friends. Like I said, I get it. I miss my friends too. I want to be able to contact them, talk with them, but I don't use my work computer because this is for work. I use my own personal items for that and still being appropriate and behaving like we would at school. Okay? So this is a reminder. Please, I would hate again for as a class or as a whole grade to disable Google Chats, Google Hangouts for however long we feel we need to. Okay? So we're not going to use Google Chat unless a teacher invites us. Google Meets, unless a teacher invites us. And we are only using Google Chat if we have a specific question only on an assignment. Not, ugh, I can't believe that math lesson. It's, hey, what were we supposed to do again for math? Can you please remind me? All right? I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. I will try to clarify the best I can. Okay? So again, if you have any questions, just reach out. And I hope to see you soon. Bye, everyone.